the best vibes in Bali are where? Not in Canggu, not in Kuta, not in Legia, not in Seminyak, not in Ubud, and yes, not in Sanur, but here in beautiful Uluwatu, guys. Uluwatu have the best landscapes in Bali so far if you are talking about the ocean landscapes. Also, the best beaches in Bali are where? Not in Canggu. Canggu beaches are actually terribly looking, but in Uluwatu. And when I first time ever come to Bali, that was many years ago, I came for 11 days and I stayed in Kuta, in Tuban. And honestly, I didn't really like it. And somebody told me, Damian, go to Uluwatu. And then I come to the single fin, to the top of the cliff, to the bar at morning for breakfast. And then I like it. Every year I have a birthday, I coming at morning to Uluwatu, to this place, and or if I'm not in the best mood, this place makes me happy. It just makes me feel good. I know some of you may don't like it, disagree with me, however, that's my personal opinion. And a lot of people thinking Uluwatu is only good for the fancy, expensive villas, which is true, and also for the extreme surfing. Professional surfer, you coming to Uluwatu because their waves the best. That's also true. But I'm not surfing and I don't have a villa here. I'm not even living in Uluwatu and I still enjoying. Why it's like that? Because this is the most beautiful landscapes around and very local vibe if you know where to go. On today's video, I'm gonna show you around what you can find in Sulaban Beach, single fin, or in the Warung like this one. Just literally nobody is here because it's very, very local. But you can enjoy peacefully Uluwatu for very low money. This is the rare view of Sulaban Beach from different perspective. Little bit from the sky, however, I'm just at the top of the cliff over here. And that's how it looks like. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna go down there. There is so many European young visitors here on Sulaban Beach. And I'm down there actually over here right now. Many people enjoying their time. Also this beach is access to for the surfers. However, also so many people coming right now to making pictures or even sunbathing because of the beautiful cave view over here. Check this out, actually very beautiful. And a lot of people, I don't know guys if you still remember when was nobody here. In 45 minutes will be the sunset, so it's golden hour just right now. Here we go, check this out. So if you're gonna come here, you can expect views like this one. The beach in the cave, under the cave. The only thing in Uluwatu is that there's so many stairs everywhere. Wherever you go. You're welcome, my friend. But that's how it is. You cannot have everything. If you wanna have a lazy beach, you have to go to Canggu. And this is the surfer village. It used to be busier. If you are talking about the updates, it used to be busier. However, that's changed. I'm not sure if there are less surfers, but everything seems a bit quiet over here. Actually, the surfers are coming all the time, in and out. And up there, there is already party. Because I saw from the bottom and on the top in a single fin bar, it's actually so busy and it's very loud music. So more people coming now for party rather than surfing, probably. Some of our viewers can confirm that as back 20-30 years ago, people who were coming to Uluwatu, they were only the surfers and nothing actually was in Uluwatu. Just some warung selling the drinks if they were lucky, and that's it. But now you have so many beach clubs and stuff like this. Exactly the same was it with Canggu. 20 years ago, only rice fields and nothing else. So to be clear, this is the surfer vibes, there's the warung, and over there is the party vibe and the bar vibe. So many people. So Uluwatu had the views like this one where the surfers, but now it's becoming more into party vibe. So many people actually coming to watching sunset and drinking. And now slowly this place is becoming like a tourist attraction. Many tour guides bringing their guests here. So, well, it's changing. Okay, I'm gonna show you single fin now. And this is the entrance to the single fin. So many people actually around. Wow, also the guides. Very interesting indeed. What's going on? Very busy. When I was here last time, it was pretty quiet, but now it seems it's busy again. So many young people actually around single fin Chile. Unbelievable. Happy vibes. That means that the tourists and Bali is back. Yo, what's up? People making pictures. Check this out. So good. If you don't want to walk too far and you want to have a nice view and good vibes, just come here, guys. That's for sure. You're gonna find very chill vibe here, but this is not like a beach club. It's more likely place to chill. There was the hotel long time ago as well. Loud music, by the way. And honestly, this is first time I see this place so busy post-pandemic. Previously, I was vlogging here regularly and was very, very quiet, but seems like it's very busy and everything is back already again. Happy days for everyone who likes to party, guys. Unbelievable. Unfortunately, it's 5:45 and I couldn't find even one empty seat for myself to enjoying the drink and watching the sunset. So, sad, but actually happy. Bali is back, definitely. If this place in Uluwatu is busy, that means it's busy in Bali. And that's also a little bit of the situation from the parking area over here. Seems very busy indeed. And if you can hear voices, they are mostly Europeans. Sorry guys. I think merda is Spanish word, and I think this is bad word actually. My brother used to live in Spain for 15 years, so I a little bit remember, understand. But the parking area, check this out. Very busy, so many international people. This guy cut his body a little bit. That's how it was. Oops, sorry. Check this out. This is when you come by bike situation like this. Not so easy. So many independent people over here. That's it. Also, if you're a single lady and looking for the boyfriend, surfer with nice body and everything,